Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled beetroot for shawarma. First, gather your ingredients: fresh beetroots, white vinegar, water, sugar, and salt. Make sure your beetroots are firm and vibrant. You'll also need clean, sterilized glass jars. This simple recipe will add a fantastic tangy crunch to your homemade shawarma, elevating its flavor profile significantly. Let's get started with the preparation. Next, wash and peel about 2 to 3 medium beetroots. Once peeled, slice them into thin, uniform rounds, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. Consistency in thickness helps with even pickling. Carefully pack these sliced beetroots tightly into your clean, sterilized glass jars. This step is crucial for ensuring every piece gets properly submerged in the brine later on. Now, let's create the pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Heat this mixture gently over medium heat, stirring until both the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. Once dissolved, carefully pour the hot brine over the packed beetroots in your jars, making sure all the beetroots are fully submerged. Finally, seal your jars tightly and let them cool completely to room temperature before placing them in the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for at least 24 hours before enjoying. Your delicious pickled beetroots will be ready to enhance your shawarma and can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 weeks. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.